You might be waiting until the garage is cleared, or until every closet is perfectly organized, or until you feel ready to start the moving process. But what if I told you, you don't have to wait until everything is perfect to begin? Hey, I'm Julie Sabby, a licensed realtor in Minnesota with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty Luxury Division. And I want to talk to you, the homeowner who's almost ready to downsize. You've lived a beautiful life in your home, and it holds memories, milestones, and meaning. But lately, the stairs feel a little steeper. The yard feels a little bigger. And maintaining the house, it's feeling like too much. Still, there's this voice in your head saying, I need to get everything in order before I can call someone. I can't let a realtor see my clutter. I'm not quite ready. But here's the truth, you don't have to do this alone. And you definitely don't have to do it perfectly to get started. When you work with me, you get more than a sign in the yard. You get a full service white glove experience. I bring in trusted pros to help me with sorting, decluttering, and even packing. I'll coordinate estate sales, donations, staging, and moving timelines. I'll walk with you step by step so that it never feels too heavy. You're not just handing off your house, you're handing off your worries. Let me carry the logistics so you can focus on your peace. This isn't about selling a house, it's about opening the next chapter of your life, one with less stress, more freedom, and a home that fits where you are now. Maybe it's a one-level home near the grandkids, a cozy condo with no snow to shovel, or just a fresh start. Whatever next looks like for you, I can help you get there without the overwhelm. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time, consider this your sign. Reach out, let's have a conversation. No pressure, no commitment, just clarity. The truth is, you don't need to be ready to start. You just need to take the first step. And I'll walk with you the rest of the way. I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty. And real estate is how I serve, not just with results, but with heart. And if you're ready to turn the page, I'm ready to guide you through it. You can contact me at julie@vikingshomes.com or call or text 763-257-7231.